I say you can.
Yeah,
So I
okay.
even take the black pepper, ground black pepper, and I just put a little on the top.
Okay.
So I use ground pepper and finely ground pepper.
So what do you put on it so far?
So
Can
I put on the Worcestershire sauce,
Okay.
Tony Sachet,
Okay.
granulated garlic, and black pepper.
Ah.
And that's all I put on my food. That's all I put on my raw meats. I don't put all those rubs and stuff. You don't need all of that. I mean, if you want to do that, you can. But my palate says that I use those 4 ingredients and it's all you need.
That's right.
And look how beautiful it is.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That really...
So when we barbecue it, it's going to be equally as good.
Oh, so you barbecue.
Yeah,
you
we're
put
barbecuing.
Oh, cool.
Yes. And so once you season one side, I flip it over here and you do the other side. So one side is already seasoned. You flip this over and you do the other side.
So how many people are you feeding with that?
5.
5. Oh, wow. Wow.
It's just immediate family.
Yeah, yeah.
So I take my Worcestershire sauce and I put my Worcestershire sauce all over again, like I did on the other side. And then you let that marinate for a few minutes. And then you come back with your Tony Sachet.
I'm getting hungry now, Wanda.
You getting hungry?
Look at that. Look at Wanda. This is what we do at markets too. This is
Hey, how are you?
She told me to come in here to get tamales, is that right?
Yes.
yes.
Yes. You can get tamales. What would you like?
2 dozen.
Okay. Give me 1 second. We're on YouTube.
Yeah, that's right. You wanna come be on YouTube?
We're on YouTube.
Yeah. So we're just showing how Wanda's making
Yes.
this chicken.
But you can pay her right there.
Yeah.
Who wants 2 dozen?
You want 2 dozen?
Yeah, this is. Yeah, that's Miss Claudine. She's getting the money for the tamales. Yeah. Nice. That's really looking
And then
good.
you get. I don't think I put this on.
No. What is it? Garlic.
It's the granulated garlic.
Okay. Wow.
Granulated garlic. So I just used 4 ingredients, you guys.
That's right.
You don't need all that other stuff, all that rub stuff in the store. They're just getting your money. And then I put a little black pepper here.
Okay.
And that's it. And this is gonna taste oh so good. And you make sure you get up all that goodness out that pan, okay? Okay?
Okay.
And I have 2 ribeyes I'm gonna do right here. As soon as I handle my customer that wants 2 dozen tamales, then I'll be able to get him his 2 dozen.
Okay.
Thank you, YouTube.
Thank you so much for watching. This Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods. Bye-bye.